So George, this morning we did get jobless claims which surged in the latest week, but we also got better than expected retail sales numbers. What does this mean for the health of the economy? Is the consumer going to be out there spending in 2014?
Good question. We tend to be internal optimists at Villere Company, and we like to think that the economy is going to be a lot stronger. There are a lot of interesting things that are happening right now. You've got housing that is a big important part. You've got Christmas, consumers, that plays about a 70% role in the health of the economy. Nonetheless, we think it's important to look for longer term stocks that you can hold. So there's always good opportunities out there in our mind. We've got plenty of stocks as bottom-up investors that we think are going to do well regardless of how the economy plays out. We also happen to be domestically oriented. We think that's important because there's a big bubble going on in Asia, and then also Europe doesn't seem like there's a lot of growth out there. So America's really the place to be. We've got many stocks that we think will make sense long-term for our investors.
And so can you give me some names of some of those stocks that you think will do well in 2014?
Sure, I can. One is a retailer. It's a retailer, but it's really a financing company. I say that because the name is Conn's. Conn's has about 70 stores in Texas and in New Mexico, and they're expanding westward. What's interesting is only about a third of their customers are cash and carry. The rest, Conn's finances. So they charge a fair amount as a finance company, charge about 20%. And it's important because the things that they sell are what people need to get started. I mean, they sell mattresses, washer dryers, big screen TVs, those sort of big ticket items. Company's done great. The stock, I think, has tripled in the past year. So it's been a good one for us.
Great. Thanks so much, George.
Thank you.
We've been speaking with George Young in New York. I'm Ruben Ramirez. Thanks for joining us.